Charlie is skillfully blending into a leafy green tree. Bella the butterfly flutters around, her wings shimmering in the sun.
Peekaboo! I see you. Or do I? Why do you always match the leaves? It's like playing hide and seek every day.
Hi, Bella. I just feel safer this way. No one notices a leaf.
But you could be any color you want. Why hide it?
That would make me stand out, Bella. And that's kind of scary.
Charlie moves through the jungle, trying to blend in wherever he goes. At the waterhole, Harry is splashing around, having fun. Leo the lion, with his magnificent mane, is lounging nearby.
Cannonball! Hey, Charlie, come on! Make a splash!
I don't want to cause a color explosion in the water.
Color explosion, that would be epic. You'd be like a superhero. Captain Colorful.
I don't want to be noticed.
Charlie, changing colors makes you special. Like my mane, your colors are something to be proud of.
Yeah, Charlie. You'd be the life of the party at the waterhole.
Deep in the jungle, where animals prepare for the festival, Oliver the owl is perched on a branch, observing the preparations. Charlie approaches him.
I just want to fit in, Oliver.
But fitting in doesn't mean hiding who you are. You should be confident in just being you.
But what if they laugh at me?
True friends will celebrate you, not mock you. The festival is the perfect time to show your true self.
Charlie reflects on Oliver's words. The jungle night begins to sparkle with fireflies. Under a starry sky, Bella finds Charlie gazing at the fireflies, their light reflecting in his eyes.
These fireflies aren't afraid to shine, even in the dark. What about you, Charlie? What's on your mind?
I've been thinking, maybe it's okay to be different.
Yes, show the world your colors and be like these fireflies, a light in the darkness.
Inspired, Charlie decides to reveal his colors at the festival. In the heart of the jungle, the animals gather for the evening festival.
Everyone, I have something to show you.
Charlie changes into bright, beautiful colors, dazzling everyone.
Wow, Charlie, you're incredible.
A remarkable display of bravery.
You are amazing, Charlie.
Charlie learned that being different isn't just good, it's spectacular. Once hidden, his colors bring joy and wonder to the jungle, reminding us that each of us is special in our own way.